Steklo-Lux is the largest automobile glass manufacturer and plate polish glass supplier in Russia. Cutting-edge machinery is concentrated upon glass production facilities of the plant, located in Nizhny Novgorod regional town, Por. The key advantage factors of Steklo-Lux plant are consistent high product quality, affordable pricing, sufficiently big warehouse storage, and the client's convenience service. We are able to manufacture several thousand types of laminated glass for foreign cars. Windscreens produced by our plant comply with all the requirements, namely geometric dimensions, transparency, reliability, break and abrasion-proof parameters. You are sure to find several hundred of laminated glass items, including the very rare ones, in the product catalog for foreign trucks. All sorts of Russian bus, truck and passenger vehicle windows, front and back windscreens are in the broadest range possible. Steklo-Lux offer tempered glass for both Russian and foreign car brands. Vehicle windows and windscreens are made of tempered glass. Tempered glass is several times as solid as ordinary glass. A separate business stream of our activity is the glass production for both Russian and foreign special machinery, widely spread bobcats, excavators, and other type of earth-moving and transportation machinery. Steklo-Lux company supplies construction, architecture, furniture making, and other industries with plate glass. In our catalogs, you will encounter a great variety of products with numerous characteristics. We guarantee timely and high level of any kind of glass production to meet the client's expectations. Impressive machinery park at a high level of production automation results into our flexible reaction to any sort of requests and demands. We have developed trustworthy relationship with the best Russian and overseas suppliers, which guarantees the raw material high-quality standard and ultimate pricing. We are always on standby to ship any amount of the ordered glass, as we run an impressive warehouse with the products already in stock. The quality of our product is confirmed both with the international certificates and thousands of end users' trust. The range of glass products is expanded with tens of models on weekly basis. The production machinery constant update benefits into steady output scale growth. We face the future with optimism. That's exactly why Steklo-Lux brand is the choice of the car owners throughout all Russia. Steklo-Lux. Benefit with transparency.